What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a clickable link to your Facebook story using the mobile app. Facebook has finally added a built-in option to include links in stories, so you no longer need to rely on workarounds through Instagram. Open the Facebook app and from the homepage, tap on Create Story at the top left. You can now choose how you want to build your story. Tap the camera button to take a new photo or video, or select an existing photo or video from your gallery. Once you're on the editing screen, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the list of available stickers, tap on Link. A pop-up screen will appear where you can paste or type the URL you want to share. Once you've added the link, tap Add to place it onto your story. You can move the sticker around, resize it, or change the style however you like using the tools provided. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Share at the bottom to post your story. Now anyone who views your story will see the clickable link and can tap on it to visit the page directly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.